JSON.stringify undefined returns an empty object, not because of a bug, but a deliberate design choice that trips up nearly every JavaScript developer. Declares a constant object named input with three properties: a set to the value undefined, b set to null, and c set to 0. Defines a reusable function named replacer that accepts two parameters: key representing the current property name being processed, and value representing its current value during JSON stringification. Within the replacer function, checks if the incoming value strictly equals undefined and returns null instead to ensure undefined properties are serialized as null rather than omitted. In the same replacer function, returns whatever value was passed and when it is not undefined, thus preserving null 0 and any non-undefined primitives or objects as is. Closes the function body of replacer, thereby finalizing its implementation before use in subsequent calls. Invokes JSON.stringify on input without a replacer, so using default behavior where properties with undefined values are excluded entirely from the resulting object string. Invokes JSON.stringify again on input, but now passes the previously defined replacer function as its second argument, enabling custom handling of property values during serialization. The fix is simple. Intercept undefined values in a custom replacer and convert them to null. Subscribe for daily coding videos.